You want to stop this from happening to your hair? Come on, follow me. This is my hair a few months ago. Welcome to another video. You're welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing this amazing hair treatment with you guys. With very few ingredients, you can actually help your hair from getting to that terrible state, okay? So first of all, you're going to be needing a glass jar like this. You could use any lid actually, but if you have a stainless lid preferably, please go ahead to use it. So my very first ingredient for this hair treatment is fenugreek seeds, and this is what fenugreek seeds looks like. They are a bit hard, but when left in water for a while, they become very tender and they are very good for the hair. Okay, the next ingredient is fennel seeds. Now fennel seeds are another amazing ingredient for natural hair. They are loaded with benefits for your hair care journey. Trust me, you are going to love it. And then the last ingredient is your basil leaves. If you have mint leaves, thumbs up to you. You can use mint leaves, but if you don't, you can also use basil leaves. They all belong to the same family and they do have virtually almost the same benefits for your natural hair. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead to take in, not in any particular order anyway, but I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of each of these ingredients into my glass jar. Hey, I've not properly welcomed you guys into this video, so let me go ahead to quickly welcome my first time viewers who are definitely going to subscribe to this channel, because trust me, if you do subscribe, it's to your own advantage. I mean, you're going to learn a lot on how to take care of your own natural hair at home with these natural remedies that are not going to hurt your hair in any way. So my first time viewers, you guys are welcome. Please do well to hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the post notification bell so you'll be the very first to get notified whenever I post new videos. And to my OG subscribers, my OG viewers that always view my videos, guys, thank you so much for coming back again to this video. I really do appreciate you guys coming back. Thank you so much. So what I went ahead to do was add in hot water into my glass jar with my ingredients. Just give this a quick mix to ensure that everything is well incorporated into the water. Cover it and you can leave it just right there on your kitchen sink, on your kitchen cabinet or whatever. Just keep it right there. You can see it's very hot, so I could not even hold the bottle very well. So at some point before the water cooled down, actually I went in to add some onion peels. You guys know I love using onion peels for my hair, so I went ahead to add in some onion peels. So I'm just telling you now so that just in case you feel like adding in onion peels to yours or onions, you can actually do that. You are still on track. Okay, so I went ahead to add in the onion peels and I allowed everything come to a cool. So the onion peels did also infuse into the water. Okay, so I strained it and I'm going to transfer it into my spray bottle. You can transfer into any applicator bottle you have or any spray bottle you have. So at this point, you guys should already know what I'm going to do next. My essential oils, I don't always forget them whenever I make DIYs like this. So I'm going to go ahead to add in my peppermint essential oil. I'm going to add in eucalyptus essential oil, lavender essential oil, in no particular order. I'm just naming all of my essential oils. I make use of tea tree essential oil, peppermint essential oil, lavender essential oil, and eucalyptus essential oil. So these are the 4 essential oils that I always do add to all of my hair mist, and they have been really helping my hair so much. I can't say enough. So after adding in that, if you have any hair growth oil as well, you can go in to add some few drops into this, or just about a teaspoon. That will be fine, so it doesn't clog the pores of your spray bottle, because you know what oil can do now. Once it's mixed with cold water, it's so easy for it to clog the pores of your spray bottle. So I shook this up together and I went ahead to apply it to my hair. So this was what my hair was looking like, so dried. My hair was so dried. I had a protective hairstyle on that I took to church, and coming back from church, I just needed to moisturize my hair. My hair wasn't feeling that dirty at all, so that's why I didn't go for a wash. But because I just wanted to moisturize my hair, I had to prepare this treatment. You are moisturizing your hair weekly and you are not treating your hair, it's bad. Don't just use water alone to treat your hair. Also go ahead, use these treatments to treat your hair. Help your hair. Your hair will be very happy for you. Happy with you. So anyways, I just went ahead to spread that all over the strands of my hair, and I also went ahead to massage this very well into every strand of my hair. Go ahead and apply it to the roots of your hair as well, and when you apply this treatment to the roots of your hair, do well to massage this onto the roots of your hair. Scalp massages also play a very huge role in helping hair growth as well. So it's not just all about using hair treatments and not massaging your hair very well with them. Okay, so use them and also massage your hair very well with them. You guys can see what my hair looks like. So I did moisturize the first one and I forgot to seal in with the butter. So while I was applying treatment to the second one and the second section, I remembered the butter and I used the butter on my hair. I already shared this butter here on this channel. Do well to go see that video if you've not seen that video already. That butter is, trust me, I don't know what to say, it's the real deal, no jokes at all. It's really, really amazing. It's super amazing, guys. This butter, just go and try it and come back to share your testimony. So guys, that's basically all I went ahead to do for the entire strands of my hair. Now the benefits of fenugreek, let me just quickly tell you. Fenugreek is a very rich source of protein, and if you know protein very well for hair growth, protein is one of the many ingredients that you need for your hair to actually grow that healthy hair. Okay, so that's the more reason why you need to actually use fenugreek. Okay, fennel seeds on the other hand, fennel seeds are very great. They have antimicrobial and antifungal properties that help prevent infections like ringworm, dandruffs and stuff like that on your natural hair. So guys, this all for the entire video. While I was done, I just went ahead to detangle my hair. So remember, when I started, I did not detangle because my hair was so dried and I didn't want to lose so much hair. So when I was done, that was when I went ahead to pass a comb through my hair, because I know at this point I can safely do that and I won't lose any hair at all. So I went ahead to just give my head a quick scalp massage, because I just want to, it feels great actually, and also it plays a huge role with hair growth. You guys know that already. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the post notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. Bye guys.